Oh man, look what happened. It's cracked the scale. You should have never used this ball. So here's what I've been up to. Scales broken. I definitely don't want to glue it. I don't want that. It's a shame, but it is what it is. And I looked for some materials and I was like, what am I going to replace it with? Because I do plan on leaving this side with bone. I did come across the Purple Heart, and I think that would be a good match. So I went ahead and I made my first cutout, and it's not cut right. So mistake number one. Then I go ahead and cut the second one, and it was perfect, but it had a crack in the middle. Fail number two. Almost fail number three, but I got it going. Thank God I made it happen. What originally happened is I was going off of this, and this was what was wrong. I should have went off these cuts, straight lines. That had a crooked line, so that's what happened with the first one. So down here was a little bit of a gap. So that's why I went on to round two and then round three. It's got this pattern over here. I'm going to try to keep that. I'm just going to grind the bottom a little more. When it's all said and done, it's going to look pretty nice, I think. And I'm going to try to put that back in there. Alright. Wish me luck.